I am not from here. Oh, no, this is just SPF 3000.
You look like me.
Lovebirds? Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can't fly, I pick my beak, and once in a while I pee in the bird bath.
Yeah, okay, you want me to call your mother?
No!
So, you two lovebirds headed for Carnival?
And young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking.
It's a medical condition.
I don't know how I got up there, but I ain't never coming down!
He left without me.
Oh, I don't need to find him. He'll find you.
Ugh, cannibal.
Oh, that's a fair question.
Got pigeon doodle on your nose. Hey, look, I'm on it. I know how to set the mood. Check it out. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Take her to the flow. Show her how you roll. Drop it low.
Little princess.
And Jules is like, I ain't your princess, leave me alone. A little too aggressive. Not hating on your creativity, but I think I got this one. Fetch funky monkey.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.